Okay, we're going to continue our lesson on three variable systems. So this is part 2. We talked about last time, here's how we solve. Again, you're going to choose two equations that you can easily eliminate a variable, either x, y, or z, it doesn't matter. Once you do that, we'll call that equation A. Then you want to eliminate the same variable. You'll use one of the equations will be the same, and then the other equation will be the one that you haven't used yet. And once you eliminate a variable there, you will get equation B. Then you're going to use equation A and B and eliminate yet another variable. So now you should be able to solve for the final remaining variable. Once you have that answer, you're going to plug it in, and you can plug it into either equation A or B, and then you should be able to solve for your second variable. And lastly, once you know two of your three variables, take those two and plug it into one of your original equations, and you should be able to write your final answer as an ordered triple. So these are the steps again, and here we go. All right. So in this particular case, you really have a couple of options. I could use, I want to get rid of either x or I would say x or z, because they both have coefficients of 1 or -1. So I'm going to get rid of, I think I'm going to get rid of x this time. So I'm going to use this equation twice. Or I guess you could get rid of y. Really, you could have any of these. So maybe we'll do y. All right, so let's say I get rid of y with the first and the second one, and then we'll do the first and the third. So the highlighted one I'm going to use twice. So here we go. We've got -x plus y plus 2z equals 7, and then 2x plus 3y plus z equals 1. And now I want to eliminate, like I said, I think we're going to use y. You actually could do x, y, or z, because they're all, you can all find a coefficient of 1 or -1, which makes it pretty easy. So in this particular case, I'm going to get rid of y, so I want to multiply this top one by -3. Okay, so that would give me 3x minus 3y minus 6z equals -21. Okay, second one I can just copy. Notice my y's are opposites now, so now we're going to put these together. Okay, so I have 5x, y eliminates minus 5z. Notice I left a little space in there. That's okay, just so I don't get confused. So this is equation A. And that is the one I'm going to use later. So now I want to do the same thing. I'm going to use that highlighted one again. So -x plus y plus 2z equals 7. But I'm going to do that with the third one now, the first and the third. So now, and we're still eliminating the same variable. So this means I'm eliminating y. I'm going to need to multiply the top one by 4. Okay, so we have -4x minus 4y plus 8z equals 28. Okay, on the bottom, we got -3x. Oh, this should be plus, excuse me. Minus 4y, and then plus z equals 4. Watch your signs. I almost made a big mistake there. Hopefully that's good for you to see. Be careful of that. Okay, so now we're going to combine like terms here. So we have negative 7x. My y's eliminate again, plus 9z equals 32. All right, so this is equation B. We have just eliminated a variable, and this variable was y in all those equations. So now you're going to take equation A and B and put those together and eliminate another variable and pick the one that makes the most sense or is the easiest. So let's do that. So I've got 5x minus 5z equals negative 20. And I have negative 7x plus 9z equals 32. And I think I'm going to get rid of x. Oops. Okay, so they both go into 35, so I'm going to make this one positive 35 and this one negative 35x. All right. So this will give me 35x minus 35z equals negative 140. And then negative 35x plus 45z equals 160. Okay, now I can add these together. And my x's eliminate, so now I have positive 10z equals 20, so z is 2. Okay, so there's my first variable. Now, you want to plug that in to one of your A or B equations, okay? So I'm gonna plug it into A, I think. So we know that z is 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here and we'll go 5x. So again, I'm plugging into this one. Minus 5 times z we said is 2. Look right there, z is 2. Okay. So 5 times 2. All right, so I have 5x minus 10 equals negative 20. Add 10 to both sides. I get 5x equals negative 10. Divide, x equals negative 2. Okay. So now I know x is negative 2, z is positive 2. All right, I'm going to do some erasing because I'm running out of some room here. I didn't leave myself enough room. So I'm going to erase some stuff here. And now we're going to take z equals 2, x equals negative 2, and we're going to plug back into one of our original equations. Okay, so it does not matter which one you choose here. I'm just going to say, all right, I kind of like this one, middle one. So I know x is negative 2, z is 2. So we're going to say 2 times negative 2 plus 3y plus 2 equals 1. So this is negative 4. Put those together, the negative 4 and the 2 first, so I get negative 2 plus 3y equals 1. Add 2 to both sides. Divide by 3. And we get 1. Okay, so my ordered triple then, my answer would be, remember to put them in order. X is first, then y, then z. these three planes cross at this point in space. Okay, so once again, steps, if you need to go through those, I put these on your assignment again so you can kind of follow along as you're working. And then check your work, okay? These are difficult, so take your time, watch your signs, be careful. Good luck.